Hey everyone, it's Lex with SurvivalGoGear. Today we're going to show you the Swiss Tech Modern Kit Campfire Essential Tools plus Fixed Blade Knife. Essentially, this is just a great fire starting kit. Some of you guys may like this, some of you may not, but it's a good beginner kit. First, we'll start off with this blade right here. It is a fixed blade, and the overall length of this is 7¼ inches in length. The blade itself is a AUS 8 steel blade. The length of the blade is 3½ inches. It's got a nice choil right here for your finger. It's got finger jimping right here on the back. Plenty of length on that, so you can actually get up top to carve tinder and things like that. But it is a fixed blade. It's got this lanyard that you can use for fire starter as well. Overall, pretty neat little blade to have. Doesn't have a hard sheath. Also, it doesn't have a turn clip, but you can put it and adjust it for a side clip if you wanted. So inside of this, this thing is pretty neat. Kind of got everything that you would need for basics. Um, it does have, we'll start off with this telescoping pocket bellow. This thing is pretty cool. It comes in this little container to keep it clean. Extends out from 4½ inches right here to 19 inches. So, and then it kind of narrows down so you can actually get the precision of that. It does come with a rubberized tip to kind of make it easy for you to blow into it. So that's pretty neat to have, especially because it's so compact, but it is pretty cool to have as part of a fire kit. The next thing that we've got on the list is we've got this flint roller, and it's a good little tool just to get things started, just in case. I know most of us will carry a ferro rod, but that is pretty neat. And inside this little case, you can actually store some tinder. It does come with 3 little cotton sticks, so you can use that right off the bat when it's raining and things like that to get you going. What's also cool in this kit is it does have a magnesium block. Some of you guys are maybe familiar with it, but it's a great tool to kit that a lot of people don't think about to have as part of their kit. So all you got to do is just scrape this magnesium, put it with some of that cotton, and then you can take your knife, literally scrape the backside of this, get you some shavings of it, and then start your fire, which you've got this built-in ferro rod here, so you can strike it down into that, create a spark, and get you a fire started. So that's a pretty neat little kit to have as far as that magnesium block. Um, Also, one thing that I really like about this little kit is this. So you wouldn't think this is important. Some of you guys may have seen like pencil sharpeners and things like that, but this little can grade small pieces of tinder. So little shavings, not tinder itself, but you can get little shavings when you're trying to start a fire to get real fine tinder for you to get it started. So that's a pretty neat tool to have. Of course, like we said, it does have 3 extra little cotton sticks right here, which is nice. But overall, this kit is pretty cool. I'm impressed with it. Definitely a good starter kit. Wouldn't say that I wouldn't add to it. I would definitely probably add like a good old ferro rod to it and some other things that I would like. But I love that it's small, that it's compact. Just to give you guys kind of a measurement for it, it is about 4 inches wide, and then it's about 6 inches long. So pretty small. Um, what's cool about it too, obviously your belts, not your belts, your knife can go in here on the actual pouch, but on the back of it, it does have a belt loop where you can loop your belt all the way here. You can hook it onto something. You can put it on your backpack or carry whatever you've got. So that's kind of nice, whether you have a hook or something like that. So overall, this thing's pretty sweet. You guys let us know what you guys think in the comments. Is this something that you would get for a starter kit?